Synonyms. Synonyms are different words that have the same or similar meanings. Some commonly used words in everyday conversation along with their synonyms. Sad, unhappy. The word sad means the same as the word unhappy. Angry, upset. The word angry means the same as the word upset. Beautiful, pretty. The word beautiful means the same as the word pretty. Fast, quick. The word fast means the same as the word quick. Happy, joyful. The word happy means the same as the word joyful. Hot, boiling. The word hot means the same as the word boiling. Clean, neat. The word clean means the same as the word neat. A word can have more than one synonym because synonyms can be used in different contexts or have slightly different shades of meaning. Dirty, messy, filthy, and grimy are synonyms, but they have slightly different uses and levels of intensity. Admit, confess, accept, and concede are related words and can sometimes be used as synonyms, but they are not always interchangeable because each word has a specific use and tone depending on the context. Fast, quick, speedy, and swift are synonyms. Fast and quick are the most commonly used in daily speech. Speedy is used for positive or polite tone. Swift is often more literary or formal. Intelligent, clever, skillful, and sharp are often treated as synonyms. Construct, build, make, and develop are related words and can often be used as synonyms. Big, large, huge, massive, and great. Sometimes, synonyms have slightly different meanings or usage. Big means large in size. Huge, the building is huge. Massive, that truck is massive. He always tells the truth. Reality, truth. He always says what is real. The children began to giggle. Laugh, giggle. They started laughing softly. Mrs. Kapoor is still so slender despite having had 3 children. Slim, slender. She is thin and graceful. They took a stroll in the park. Walk, stroll. The train came to a halt. Stop, halt. MCQs. Almost underscore meanings are called synonyms. A. Similar. B. Opposite. C. Both. Answer is similar. The synonyms of the word seldom are A. Rarely, hardly. B. Bold, daring. C. Harmful, risky. Answer is A. Rarely, hardly. The synonyms of the word kind is A. Generous. B. Liberal. C. Both. The correct answer is both generous and liberal. The synonyms of the word safe is A. Jor. B. Guarded. C. Both. The correct answer is guarded. The synonyms of the word silent is A. Quiet. B. Polite. C. Both. The correct answer is A. Quiet. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our easy English lessons.